Pinocchio. Long ago, an old carpenter named Geppetto carved a puppet in the shape of a boy and named it Pinocchio. He wished the boy to be a real one. A fairy heard his words and fulfilled his wish. She added life to the puppet, but she wanted that if he was to be a real boy, he must always be a good boy. Geppetto loved him dearly, but Pinocchio was quite naughty and rarely spoke the truth. As soon as he lied, his wooden nose would grow long. He always promised to be a good boy from the next time. But he soon forgot his word and left the school with his friends to join a circus. Now he began to miss Geppetto. One day, he heard that his father had been swallowed up by a huge whale. He immediately went to find the whale. The whale swallowed him as well. Pinocchio and Geppetto were so happy to see each other. They made a plan to get out and began tickling the whale's stomach. As soon as the whale opened his mouth and sneezed, Pinocchio and Geppetto slipped out. They reached home safely. The fairy was pleased with Pinocchio's bravery and she turned him into a real flesh-and-blood boy. From that day, he was a very good boy and never missed school. The father and son lived happily ever after.